everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases that will be out Wednesday at noon Eastern. So we have a full release this week, so let's go ahead and dive right on in. We will start at let's start with the new tiered freebies for the month of January. So first things first is every order will have this all orders freebie. So let's go ahead and pop this open. It features a journaling card with art from, I believe this was the August mystery maybe. So stinking pretty. I'm obsessed with this. It's gonna look so good in a planner pocket. And then there is going to be 4 random pieces of foil in here. So that will be the all orders freebie. So stinking pretty. Then y'all love this the last time I did it. So I went ahead and did this again for the $75 freebie. It says November on it, but I think that I had like weird thoughts and didn't fix it. But anyways, it's going to be the $75 freebie and it's going to be the purple haired scribblers. I did green, I think, last time. It's so stinking cute. It is a purple from this kit. I think it turned out just gorgeous. And then as per always, the $150 freebie is going to be a random foil bundle. And then the $300 freebie is going to be a random ultimate kit. So those are the tiered freebies for the month of January. Then let's start at the top. First things first is we do have some characters this week. We do have Chase, which is $145. We have Flower, which is $146. We have Thumper, which is $147. And then also Frodo, which is $148. Super cute. We also have some scribblers this week. These are heart eye scribblers and these are number 76. We're gonna go backwards. We got 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Scribbler friends are coming soon. If you saw on Instagram, I'm so excited for those. We also do have some new Doodles. This is 830, which is a basketball jersey, 831, which is a basketball hoop, 832, which is some sneakers, 833, which is like a foam finger, and then 834, which is some like fields and courts. 835 is a soccer ball in front of a net. 836 is a trophy. 837 is cleats. 838, did I say 838? 838 is a soccer ball. 839 is a basketball. And 840 is the, like, I think this is a soccer jersey and pants, possibly. So some new sports doodles. I also have a color of the week this week. It is a really pretty kind of like true red color, like a slightly deep true red. Really, really pretty. Might be actually a little cool tone. I don't really know. I'm having a day. So this is going to be color number 93. I've been doing a ton of color of the week, so I should have one every week for quite a while now. So this does have the 15 different sheets. You can either buy these a la carte or you can buy them in the bundle if you want to save a couple of buckaroonies. And then also there is the scribblers. You can buy these a la carte. Super cute. I always feel like I need at least 3 sheets of these because whenever I do a spread with them, I use so many. So love that red color. Then we do have a new D-stash bundle, which this is like a bougie D-stash. So let me go ahead and go through this. So it will vary slightly in what you will receive. But basically the idea here is you're going to get 5 spreads worth of bougie. And whenever I say 5 spreads worth, it is going to be 16 bougie boxes. So 16 times 5. So this one, for example, has like it's like a hollow. I actually don't think that this one has been released yet. It's like a hollow wave kind of thing. So 2 sheets of that. Then there's a black, it looks like 2 sheets of that. And then there is the sheer, 2 sheets of that. And then there's 4 sheets of, looks like a gold and silver mixed metal, and 4 sheets of hollow. So this is just an example. So you will get something similar variant of this, but basically it is 5 spreads worth of bougie. So that is going to be the newest little D-stash bundle. So I'll have those listed Wednesday as well. Then we have a foil bundle. We will have another one, but that kind of goes with the other kit. This one is the punk foil bundle and it's in this really pretty like lilac color. I thought this would look really cute with a lot of different spreads. You have the really cute hand-drawn stars, the skull and crossbones, the like middle finger. You have the little drippy skulls by Jess. And then you have the newer icons and script page, the dancing skeletons, the hearts, the safety pins. It's all super duper cute, and it will be on the special pricing from Wednesday at noon Eastern to Sunday. And then let me show you the kit that also has a foil bundle kind of attached to it. So we are going to be listing the extras of the Cyber Monday mystery. I don't remember how many I have. I think I have like 30 or less of these. And then I do have more of the foil because I always order extra of that. But I probably won't reformat this for a while. So if you want to get your hands on, I definitely would pick it up whenever I do the restock. So it's going to be the same format the Cyber Monday mystery was. It has the same sheet. So this is the ultimate kit. And then if you want to purchase the foil, it will be available a la carte now. So this will be in available the Groovy bundle in the Hollow Wave. If you didn't see this, I'll go ahead and flip through it real quick. You have the full boxes and the really cute little flowers, the wavy check boxes, the icons and scripts, and then the smiley faces, hearts, flowers, wavy checks. Super stinking cute. So that will be available on its own too, and I'll put it at special pricing for the first couple of days as well. And then also there will be the Groovy quotes as well if you want to pick those up or pick more of them up. They are perfection and also available in the core colors. And the Groovy bundle will also be coming in more colors in the future. Then I have two kits for you. There is a reformat, so let's go ahead and go through that first. I totally forgot to reformat this. This is the, I believe, November mystery from last year. And I am calling this Cleaning Spray. Super, super pretty. I love this with like hollow and lavender hollow, or like hollow and sparkly hollow. It's just so pretty. Or like a lilac rose, something along the lines of that, a light blue, but it's just so like serene, clean, and peaceful. And I just think it's perfect for a cleaning week or just a spring anytime kit if you are not planning on cleaning. I just think it's really, really pretty. I love the flowers. I love the art style. I think it's super, super cute. The Freebie and the Ultimate and Mini is the little like Dyson handheld vacuum cleaner. All the kits, well, not all the kits this week. The Cyber Monday mystery only has the ultimate because that was all it was offered in, but this kit and the next kit will also be offered in the mini kit. And then let me show you the kit add-on options. So there's functional, there's doodle, ombre, label 2, as well as fashion. So cute. And then the last kit that I have for you here is going to be Touchdown, and this is a really, really pretty pink and purple take on football, which I think is perfect because I think, if I'm not mistaken, the Super Bowl is in February, I think. So I think that'd be perfect for that. This is the like pink and purple colorway version of this art, and I think it turned out so stinking cute with the brown. I think foil-wise, I think lavender hollow would be really pretty with this, or like a sparkly pink, or you could do silver or gold, just regular hollow. I love the bottom washi gradient in the grass, and then the Freebie and the Ultimate and Mini is just more of those hands. So pretty. I love the scenes and the colors. Very spring vibes. And then the add-on options, you have the ombre, the label, the doodle, as well as the functional. And then there is fam options. So there is fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that, my friends, is everything for this week. I hope you like this week's new releases. Oh, there's actually one thing I wanted to show you. So, I had a lot of questions asking if lemongrass would look cute with this, and I just want to also confirm I think it would. So I think I'm going to do like a mixed metal. I think it'd be really, really fun. So I just wanted to throw that out there because I got a couple questions. So that is everything for this week. I hope you liked all of this week's new releases. Also, I believe that mystery spots will be open for the month of, it will be the February mystery. So if you want to sign up for that, the spots will be on the site. If you are not already subscribed to the reoccurring mystery, it is super fun. January, it was so pretty. By this time, it will be already revealed on YouTube if you want to check that out. And also don't forget about the new tiered freebies. They are automatically added to your cart whenever you reach the dollar amount. But that is everything for this week, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.